Join Team Red.
Back on here with another video, and today
Buy me a rocket. Someone please buy me a rocket.
So let's go.
Buy me a rocket, please, bro.
The first one is 3, 2, 1. I seen it on YouTube, so we're gonna try it out. So let's go.
Yeah, just go. I just found the free.
3, 2, 1. It says it's 3, 2, 1. Let's see. Or maybe we have to join him separate. He said separate. 1, 2, 3. Oh, here's a modded code, guys. It is.
I'm in teleport.
1, 2, 3. That's a modded code. So
Red box, where are you?
Yo,
dude. Oh yeah,
like,
look at all these dinosaurs, bro. This ain't capped, no editing, nothing. Bro, look at these dino eggs. Let's see how much they sell.
bro, Red, give me it back. That's fine.
Shotgun, here.
Give it back now.
Here's a shot.
That's
Here's
my
another
no
one.
That's my no That wasn't. That's my no
Chicken.
Bruh.
Following us. Hello?
Yeah, dude. Yeah, no, dude, he's attracted us. He's attracted.
Don't listen to the hate. Don't listen to the hate.
Bro, you can just stop.
Say you're sorry immediately. Say you're sorry.
Okay, Terry.
That was weird.
I killed him.
Okay, let's go see how these.
Yo, dude, can I have 4 more shotguns, please? I need to
Let's
have
just
the
go
whole
on a
thing.
random code.
I just need guns.
We're just gonna. And I wanted to sell this, but I don't know if it'll fit in my backpack. Do you guys think it'll fit in my backpack? Maybe not. Yeah, that's not happening. I don't think it's happening. Yeah, no. Dang it. I wanted to sell this. Hey, you join a random code, maybe you'll find me in the code and I will give this to you. Oh god, I don't want to. Okay. I'm gonna sell most of my inventory of what I got. Like this. This is a giant camera. Okay, let's just see how much this sells for. We're not doing my backpack. Here's that. And let's see. 5,000. Yeah, we're just gonna go back. Code Money works too. It has a lot of stuff in it. Put this back in and we're gonna. And I think code 3 is one.
This is 3, not 4. 4.
Come on.
Ooh, grapple.
No, no. Okay, you're good. Come on, let's go. Come on, let's go.
Can someone revive?
There's some people in here.
Can I go in?
No.
Oh,
Can someone give me
is this a modded server?
You're right. In the
Stop it! Stop it! Stop it! Stop it!
Team Red.
I'm putting it to the Discord. I can't wait to do this. I'm in code 2. Let's see. I think very simple things are modded.
Trying to mess me
Is it
up.
modded server?
Guys, does somebody know a giveaway code? Does somebody know
No,
a
don't
giveaway
go
code?
there.
I think this.
Bro, don't take him.
Is this a modded server?
No, I'm taking him.
I don't
no,
think
not
so.
really.
Okay, thanks.
Then you're gonna. Oops. Then you're gonna pull out a gun and try to kill me. Probably 8,000.
Sorry.
What the hell out of this server?
Okay.
Come here.
Come on, let's go.
Come get this.
Wants me to mod this server.
Me.
Okay, I'm gonna mod the server for you.
Thank you.
Ray, you
Mod the
killed me.
server. Mod the server.
Some broccoli.
Hello?
Holy!
Oh my lordy lord. Sweet mother pro. What did I just join?
So,
What the heck?
these.
What the heck?
Ray, come back to spawn.
Oh my god. Yeah, everyone
Ray,
better come back
you
to
need to come
spawn.
back.
Holy crap.
Ray, you guys need to come back to
Why
spawn,
is
like right now.
What did I just join to?
Back?
Galaxy.
We don't know. We don't know.
I just joined you, bro.
These are galaxies.
Want me to come back?
All over
Ray,
the world.
I need you to come back.
I need to get all of these. Holy moly macaroni! Who's the modder here? Oh my freaking god.
No way.
Yes! I'm in the modder code.
Whoever the
Oh,
modder
I need
is,
these. I need these so bad. I need
to
these.
thank you to the modder. Where's
I
the
got a
modder?
backpack full of them.
Give me one. I can't.
Bro, who
Oh
just
wait,
did
never
that?
mind. It's not full at
just
all,
did
but
that,
it's got
bro?
some in it.
Who thinks I did?
Oh my god. For one of these.
Bro, what the frick?
Give you one or what?
Yo!
Here you go.
What?
Okay, is this broccoli? Yep. How can I even eat broccoli anymore? Holy. I'm literally the size of. Where's some broccoli? I got broccoli. How am I this big? I need broccoli.
Moderator, where are you?
I'm right here. I'm not even in the map no more. I'm not even in the map no more because I'm so tall. Or big. Oh my god. Turns out if you get too big. Hello. Guys. I reckon I can get to the top. I fell through. Dang it, bro! I'm so big. I was so big.
Bro, these are useless as fuck. Why the frick do I have?
Can you give me some broccoli from your backpack?
Bruh, I don't want that. Someone wants to say broccoli.
Bro, like,
Want that.
shut up!
I can eat it. I can actually walk around with this stuff.
Oh my god!
Yeah. I can actually walk around with this stuff.
Guys, how do I drop the broccoli off in this? How do I drop it?
You came and eat it.
You just drop it.
Do doing a giveaway because I don't need this. Yay! That
Broke
random
it.
drug. Wait, is it someone giving broccoli?
Yeah, can we get some more broccoli in here, please?
Who just did that, bro? Who just did that, bro?
Get the map.
I can get you guys to the map.
Yo, blue. Okay. Let's start grabbing some blue.
Whoever's the moderator, can you spawn more the big broccoli?
Who wants to wrestle tussle with me?
Who can do it? Why is this frog?
Wrestle tussle with me, boy.
God, where's Toasty? He's not in the
You want to wrestle tussle with me, boy?
What is bro talking about?
Wrestle tussle.
In what code? In what code?
That's a big broccoli.
I'm not telling you. I'm a secret.
I don't know. At least I can move in the
Hey,
server.
about chicken jockey.
In server
Chicken
2,
jockey.
someone did a
Watch out,
massive
before
egg
someone steals it.
giveaway. It was
Oh
so
yeah, I was in that. I was in that.
Server 2.
Wait, what's
It
the
was so
code?
bad.
wait, I put the wrong.
Server 2.
A galaxy? Oh my god. Gone.
Gotta go,
In the abyss.
gotta go. Go, guys.
I found it!
But why are you walking?
Okay, I think that'll be.
Not that serious.
Okay, I think that'll be the end for this video, and
Okay.
I'll see you guys next time. I'll show you the code one more time. It is code 3. So
Ate a deer. Who wants a
join
black
that, and you'll get
backpack?
lots
Who
of
wants a
stuff
black
like this.
backpack?
Oh,
And see ya. And
Who wants a
I
black
guess.
backpack?
peace.
That's not